Good morning, panel of experts. I am Urmila Nelu, research scholar, St. Thomas College Autonomous, Thrissur, under the guidance of Dr. Sindhu Kipi, Assistant Professor, NSS Arts and Science College, Kapur. The research paper entitled A Study on Contributing Factors of Faculty Engagement is being presented here.
To have an introduction about the term engagement, it is the level of commitment an employee has towards his job, organization, and society in the long run. An engaged employee will put his energy, effort, and mind to achieve the organizational goals and also supports the co-workers in their work, which leads to better working environment. The area of engagement, it is gaining popularity which has been emerged in the field of HRM to enhance organizational productivity and competitiveness. Higher education in the country is undergoing a drastic change, and engaging the faculty members and making them lively is going to be a challenge for the officials. A faculty who is highly engaged will be showing a high degree of commitment and involvement in the profession, and teaching is done out of commitment and not out of compliance. There exists n number of factors which contribute towards the engagement of employees. Institutional attachment, primary involvement, secondary involvement, recognition and networking, career orientation and guidance, and credibility are the factors identified through factor analysis with the panel of experts. Factors such as organizational climate, supervisory behavior, organizational tenure, role clarity, and interpersonal relationships act as determinants of commitment. Moving on to literature review, studies on faculty engagement has been reviewed to gain insight about the topic faculty engagement. It is the commitment of faculty members in their activities relating to research, teaching, service, and other allied activities. A high degree of commitment will be reflected in an engaged faculties act, and teaching is more of commitment than compliance to them. Internal motivation drives the members of an institution to be engaged. By finding out the factors that contribute to engagement and identifying engaged faculty members, a researcher can develop a set of faculty development programs, professional growth and initiatives, and in the long run it will contribute to student success. Administrators could improve faculty morale, productivity, and can influence students' outcome by quantifying engagement among faculty members. There exist n number of factors which affect the engagement level of faculty members relating to higher education. By reviewing the existing literature, it has been found out that many authors have used different terms interchangeably to measure the factors that influence faculty engagement. The objective that has been set up by the researcher is to identify the factors affecting faculty engagement among faculty members of Government Arts and Science Colleges of Kerala. Moving on to the hypothesis of the study, the null hypothesis that has been set up by the researcher is there is no significant difference between factors affecting faculty engagement, and the alternative hypothesis there exists significant difference between factors affecting faculty engagement. Moving on to the methodology adopted for the study, the present study is considered to be descriptive and empirical in nature. It is considered to be descriptive as it describes the current situation, and it is considered to be analytical as it uses first-hand information to get an idea about the factors affecting faculty engagement. Both secondary and primary data were used for the study. The secondary data source for the study includes journals, books, and websites of higher education to identify the factors that contribute to faculty engagement. Primary data required for the study were collected from 150 faculty members in Government Arts and Science Colleges of Kerala. Snowball sampling is used for collecting data. In order to achieve the objective of the study, a well-structured questionnaire was developed. The questionnaire was finalized after conducting a pilot study among 30 faculty members of Government Arts and Science Colleges. On the basis of the pilot study done, the questions were refined to assure the accuracy of the responses. The reliability of the questionnaire defines the dependability and consistency. The present study has used Cronbach alpha coefficient to measure the reliability of the instrument. It shows an alpha value of 0.980, which confirms the high reliability of the questionnaire. The data collected were analyzed with the help of IBM SPSS Statistics 21, and the statistical tool adopted is factor analysis for dimension reduction. Moving on to the next slide, data analysis and results. The data collected from 150 questionnaires were analyzed using IBM SPSS Statistics 21 to group the factors which influence the engagement level of faculty members in Arts and Science Colleges of Kerala. Factor analysis has been used to group the factors contributing to faculty engagement from a large number of variables on the basis of concept of correlation. While discussing the reliability analysis, Cronbach alpha is the most widely used method to check the reliability of scale. It can be inferred from the reliability test that the statements provided in the questions are reliable and the alpha value is greater than 0.600, and the overall reliability of the questionnaire pertains to value of 0.980, which shows high reliability. Hence, the high reliability indicates that these items are extremely qualified for further analysis. KMO and Bartlett's test. It shows the value of 0.955, which indicates the superior quality of data taken, and the significant value is 0.000, which is less than 0.05. Hence, the sample taken for further analysis, it is statistically significant. It is observed to measure the adequacy of sampling and appropriateness of data to perform factor analysis. It leads the researcher either to collect more data or rethink which variables to include. KMO statistics varies between 0 and 1, and the values greater than 0.5 are acceptable, and values ranging between 0.5 to 0.7 are moderate, and 0.7 to 0.8 are considered to be good, and between 0.8 to 0.9 are considered to be superior. After examining the reliability of scale and assuring the appropriateness of data, principal component analysis followed by Varimax with Kaiser normalization was adopted for analyzing the data. The results were grouped into 4 factors, which are organizational with 8 statements, psychological, social and management factors, each with 7 statements respectively. From the correlation metrics, it is clearly evident that there exists a high degree of correlation between factors of faculty engagement and faculty engagement. Organizational factors, psychological factors, social factors and management factors are highly correlated with faculty engagement, with values of 0.865, 0.878, 0.878 and 0.856 respectively. The R values between the factors are high, which shows a high intercorrelation between them at 0.01 level of significance. Since the p-value is less than 0.01, it is proposed to reject the null hypothesis at 1% significance level. Hence, it can be concluded that there exists significant difference between factors affecting faculty engagement. The study helps the researcher to identify the factors which contributes to faculty engagement. It is also possible to measure the intercorrelation between the factors after identification. 150 faculty members were identified through snowball sampling method. Factor analysis and correlation has been adopted to test the hypothesis. Results showed a high reliability for faculty engagement with a value of 0.980. KMO value of the study pertains to 0.955, and in addition to that, KMO Bartlett's test of sphericity chi-square value is 5438.798, through which statistical significance is again confirmed. From the correlation table, the intercorrelation of factors and correlation between factors and faculty engagement has been established. Faculty engagement is highly associated with psychological and social factors. Academicians believe that personal trust and value meaningfulness in the work, involvement, element of challenge and pressure in the work, and their relationship with head, institution and others play a pivotal role in creating engagement. While analyzing the intercorrelation between factors, psychological factors are highly intercorrelated with organizational factors and management factors with social and psychological factors. The null hypothesis tends to be rejected as the p-value is less than 0.01 at 1% level of significance. So there exists a significant difference between contributing factors of faculty engagement. The researcher found that the psychological and social factors are the crucial contributors in creating engagement among faculty members of Government Arts and Science Colleges of Kerala. Hence, more stress should be given to create personal networks, meaningful and challenging work. A working environment with high personal trust has to be created. The faculty members should be equipped to handle the work pressure so it will be possible for them to involve in the work they perform. There comes the end of my presentation. Thank you.